Hello everyone. In this video of chapter elements of groups 16, 17 and 18, I'll be talking about the preparation properties of sulfur dioxide and preparation properties of sulfuric acid. Now, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide chemical formula is SO2. Its preparation methods are: number 1, from sulfur. Sulfur dioxide can be prepared by burning sulfur in air. Sulfur is S, which is solid, and when it is burned it will turn up into SO2, which will remain gas of course. And the second preparation method is from sulfide. Sulfide, I am taking here sodium sulfide, that is Na2SO3. When it is reacting with aqueous sulfuric acid, it will give you sodium sulfate, water and sulfur dioxide. Industrial method of preparation of SO2 from sulfide is when zinc sulfide or iron sulfide is taken and both are roasted. Zinc sulfide will turn up into zinc oxide, iron sulfide will turn up into iron oxide, and sulfur dioxide would be produced. Now, physical properties of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is colorless gas with a pungent smell. It is poisonous in nature. Sulfur dioxide is highly soluble in water and its solution in water is called sulfurous acid with chemical formula H2SO3. It liquefies at room temperature under the pressure of 2 atmospheric pressure and it will boil at 263 Kelvin. If I talk about the chemical properties of sulfur dioxide is it will react with chlorine to give you sulfuryl chloride, and the sulfuryl chloride formula is SO2Cl. Sulfur dioxide will be taken as gaseous form and chlorine gas will also be taken as gaseous form, and in the presence of charcoal catalyst it will give you SO2Cl2, which is called sulfuryl chloride. Sulfur dioxide react with oxygen, or you can say will be oxidized by dioxygen in presence of vanadium pentaoxide catalyst to give you sulfur trioxide with chemical formula SO3. Sulfur dioxide react with sodium hydroxide to give you sodium sulfite with chemical formula Na2S2O3. Here SO2 is behaving as the acidic oxide because it is reacting with sodium hydroxide. The reaction of sulfur dioxide gas with sodium sulfite in aqueous medium, it will give you sodium bisulfite with chemical formula NaHSO3. NaHSO3 is also called sodium hydrogen sulfite. Reducing property: sulfur dioxides act as a reducing agent in the presence of moisture. Moist sulfur dioxide reduce ferric salt into ferrous salt. Moist sulfur dioxide decolorizes acidified potassium permanganate solution, and potassium permanganate will turn up into K2SO4 and MnSO4 because it is taken acidified here. Moist sulfur dioxide reduces halogens to halogen acid. That means I am taking if iodine here, then iodine will be turned up into hydrogen iodide. Now, the next is the structure of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is angular with bond angle 119.5 degree. This angular structure is looking like this, and these two are the resonating structure of SO2. Sulfur and oxygen double bond arises from d pi and p pi bonding. It is resonance hybrid of two canonical forms. Uses of sulfur dioxide: it is used in refining of petroleum and sugar, in bleaching wool and silk, as an anti-chlor disinfectant. It is also used as preservative. It is used in the manufacture of H2SO4 sodium bisulfite. Liquid sulfur dioxide is used as a solvent to dissolve number of organic and inorganic chemicals. Now, The another compound, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is one of the mineral acid. It is a strong acid. Sulfuric acid is prepared by, or you can say it is manufactured by a contact process which involves the following three steps. Number one, sulfur or sulfide ore. You can say we are taking iron pyrite here. On burning or on roasting in presence of oxygen rich air, it will produce sulfur dioxide. Like S is reacting with oxygen, it is giving you SO2, or FeS2 is roasted to give you Fe2O3 and sulfur dioxide. Now, the next step is sulfur dioxide is oxidized catalytically with oxygen to sulfur trioxide. Here, in this reaction, catalyst which is used is vanadium pentaoxide, which is V2O5. If we see the chemical reaction, sulfur dioxide SO2 will react with O2 in presence of V2O5 will give you SO3. The reaction is exothermic and reversible, and the forward reaction leads to decrease in the volume. Therefore, low temperature and high pressure are favorable condition for maximum yield of sulfur trioxide. And lastly, the third step, sulfur trioxide, which is obtained by the oxidation of sulfur dioxide, is absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid to produce oleum. Oleum chemical formula is H2S2O7, and oleum will be dissolved in water to get sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid obtained by contact process is 96 to 98% pure sulfuric acid. Now, let's talk about the physical properties of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is colorless, dense, oily liquid. It has density of 1.84 gram per centimeter cube at 298 Kelvin. It freezes at 283 Kelvin and boils at 611 Kelvin. It is highly corrosive and produce severe burns on the skin. Now, chemical properties. Sulfuric acid is strong acid and it will ionize in aqueous solution to produce hydronium ion and bisulfate ion. Its acid dissociation constant is greater than 10, means that sulfuric acid is largely dissociated into hydrogen ion and bisulfate ion. Next reaction is reaction with metals and non-metals, or you can say its oxidizing property. Metals and non-metals both oxidize by hot and concentrated sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid will get reduced to sulfur dioxide. If you are seeing here, copper is reacting with hot and concentrated sulfuric acid to give CuSO4, and H2SO4 is reduced in sulfur dioxide and water is obtained as a byproduct. Another reaction where sulfur is reacting with sulfuric acid to produce sulfur dioxide and water. Carbon will react with sulfuric acid, which is hot and concentrated, to give you carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and water. Another chemical property is the dehydrating property of sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid is strong dehydrating agent. Sulfuric acid removes water from sugar and carbohydrates. Carbon left behind is called sugar charcoal and the process is called carring. C12H22O11 is the chemical formula of sugar. When it is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, water molecule will be eliminated from the chemical formula and carbon will be remained behind. Next reaction is reaction with acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid decomposes the salt of more volatile acid to the corresponding acid. For example, sodium chloride is treated with sulfuric acid to give you sodium bisulfite and HCl. Potassium nitrate on treating with sulfuric acid will give you potassium bisulfate and nitric acid. And calcium fluoride on treating with H2SO4 will give you calcium sulfate and HF. These are the reaction of sulfuric acid with salts and the uses of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is very important industrial chemical. It is used in manufacture of fertilizers like ammonium sulfates, ammonium superphosphate. It is used in the manufacture of pigments, paints, dyestuff, intermediates. It is also used in the petroleum refining, detergent industry. In metallurgy for cleaning the metals, electroplating and galvanizing. It is also used in storage batteries as a laboratory reagent we used to use. And the last use is in the manufacture of nitrocellulose product.